Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a return or refund on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can choose to log into your Atlas account on the website. That's the online banking platform, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. Once you're logged into your account, next you're going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a return or reward alerts for, and then you're going to click on account alerts, and next you're going to select the return or refund alert options. Now you're going to need to review and customize the alert settings. So you set that according to your preference, and you're going to confirm the alert settings and review the alert preference once more, just to make sure you didn't make any mistakes or everything is accurate. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a return or refund on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.